Hello, my name is Nick Warner at Charters Citroen of Aldershot. I'm here to tell you about a brand new bit of stock that we've got in our showroom, C3 Aircross Collection. This is a new specification that's replacing the Plus model, and in addition to the Plus model, we've got all black alloy wheels, Aircross graphics on the side, and also graphics on the C-pillar here to enhance the look of the vehicle. So the collection model has some slight enhancements on the earlier Plus model with a change in interior to this lovely blue fabric on the seats and dashboard. Also push button start and keyless entry. This particular model is the hybrid model, so it gives excellent fuel economy and comes with an automatic gearbox. So this car's just arrived in our showroom, so it's here for people to view and test drive if you wish. So yeah, please get in touch, let us know how we can help you further. There are some fantastic deals on at the moment, so please contact myself, my name's Nick, or my colleague Shane on 01252 213150.